Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand revolves around optimizing the process of retrieving a list of Pokemon names from the first 150 that have HP values less than a specified threshold. This task is currently taking quite some time, approximately 8.49 seconds to be exact, which isn't ideal for sending the data to the front end. Let's see how we can improve this. Now, let's talk a bit about the solution provided earlier. The key enhancement lies in leveraging GraphQL queries to streamline the retrieval process. By utilizing a single request, we can significantly speed up the task. The code snippet shared illustrates how to implement this approach effectively. The use of the GraphQL API allows us to fetch only the necessary data, avoiding multiple requests and unnecessary delays. This optimization showcases the power of utilizing the right tools for the job. Building on the previous point, the JSON response obtained from executing the GraphQL query contains the relevant information regarding the Pokemon with HP values below the specified threshold. This structured data format makes it easier to parse and extract the required details efficiently. By embracing this method, we can achieve the desired outcomes swiftly and with minimal processing time, enhancing the overall performance of the application. In summary, by transitioning to a more streamlined approach using GraphQL queries, we can significantly improve the efficiency of retrieving Pokemon data based on HP thresholds. This optimization not only boosts the speed of data retrieval, but also enhances the overall user experience. With these enhancements in place, users can access the required information swiftly and seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Pokemon pun.